Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Ensure your device runs Android 7 or newer and has roughly 500 MB free. Once done, install Qpython 3L from the Play Store or sideload the APK and accept app permissions. You need to enable storage access so your scripts and pip packages can be saved. Also allow any runtime permissions that appear. Make sure battery optimizations don't restrict background execution, because you'll be running interpreters and installing modules shortly. You now configure Qpython for active use. Open it and choose the Python 3 interpreter, confirming the version in the console. Next, create a new Py file in the built-in editor and save it under /Qpython/scripts so it's easy to find. To add libraries, open the pip console and run pip install package name. If a package needs compiled wheels, download the wheel and install locally. Make sure paths match and restart the console after installing major packages. You finish by running a small test script to verify behavior. Open the scripts menu or terminal and run Python 3 your script. Py. If you see errors, read the traceback to identify missing modules or permission issues, then pip install the dependency or grant the needed permission and try again. If the interpreter crashes or cannot import compiled modules, clear the app cache, reinstall Qpython, or use an alternative wheel built for ARM or x86. One quick tip: toggling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.